Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by installing the updated Apeuni app and signing in. This gives you access to personalized features. Once installed, open the app and choose Student Login. Enter your student ID and campus email, then type your password. If you haven't set a password yet, tap Forgot Password and follow the in-app reset steps. Make sure to allow notifications and location when prompted so maps, alerts, and class updates work smoothly as you proceed. Now you update your profile and import classes so the app can serve relevant content. You'll add a photo, major, and year to tailor recommendations. Once saved, tap Schedule and either search courses by code or import them from your university account. After classes appear, enable Calendar Sync and set reminder preferences so notifications pop up before lectures. This reduces missed sessions and lets the app suggest study resources tied to each class. Finally, use core features. Open the campus map, review upcoming assignments, and join study groups for collaboration. You'll tap a class to view materials and submit work. Once you submit, confirm the uploaded file shows in My Submissions. If something breaks, first force close the app, confirm your internet, and re-login. Often that resolves sync errors. If problems persist, clear the app cache or use the in-app support chat to send logs so staff can diagnose and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.